Hi everybody, it's Maria Dolan, Marketing Director for Dolan Homes. Today we're in Carteret Mobile Park and we have this 1-bedroom, 1-bath home listed for $50,000 in Carteret Mobile Park. That's 1501 Roosevelt Avenue. The website is myhomeincarteret.com. That's Carteret, New Jersey. Come on in. This is 1-car parking here. You get a 1 car to park right in front of your house. We have a beautiful covered area that's almost like an $8,000 value. It's very expensive to put those cover over the house, the patio. So we've got a shed, and let's go check out the house. Look how beautiful this house is. It's been freshly painted and new carpeting. You've got a spacious living room, plenty of room. You've got this awesome coat closet here, so you can come in and put your coats and any other things you have. We have a beautiful ceiling fan. This is a Pine Grove home, and it's energy efficient and Energy Star certified, so your utility bills are sure to be very low. This section of the house is drywall. It makes it look like a little home. Now let's look in the kitchen. The kitchen has the papered wall. It's a very neutral color. Great accents that have been added. So you got linoleum floor and all the appliances are included. There's a dishwasher, a double sink. You've got your cooktop stove and a microwave and of course the refrigerator. So this is a pre-owned home and we're selling it on behalf of the owners. You got plenty of space here for a big table. We set this here just to give you a little sample of the size. Let's spin around again, and we're gonna walk down the hallway and take you to the 1-bedroom and the 1-bath. You've got central air conditioning. It runs through the furnace. This is a hot air furnace. You've got your thermostat here. Your back door is always available for emergency exits from the bedroom. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. This is a sink here. This has got a beautiful medicine cabinet and lights above it. You've got a 1-piece fiberglass unit. Easy to clean. It's in meticulous condition. Beautiful little curtain that they put up. You've got your commode in a private area with a little half wall, and it's got even shelving. I'll move out of the way and then you can go back and look. And then you can come back and take a look at the laundry room area. So the nice part about this bathroom is that you can keep your wash, and you'll have to buy your own dryer and put it up here. I meant to tell you that all throughout Pine Grove Homes, they're solid oak cabinets, so they're the same in the kitchen as they are over the laundry room area. There's a beautiful 6-panel door. It gives the house a really pretty, classy look. And now this adorable, adorable bedroom. This is so charming. This is perfect for any of our senior citizens or a single person looking to live close to Manhattan. We're 15 minutes on the New Jersey Turnpike, and this is a perfect place to have your own little house. This is 2 doors, but it's 1 closet, and it runs the whole length of this wall. So there's plenty of space here to put any of your clothing, and the screen there is for your storm door. So again, we also staged this bedroom to show you how much space you could have. Your nightstand, your bureau, there's lots of room. Let's go back into the kitchen and wrap it up. So we here at Carteret Mobile Park are a land lease community. All of our residents have to apply to become a resident with our application, and it's a resident application. It's a background check, criminal and credit check, and you basically come in, get the documentation to prove who you are and how much you earn. But it all starts with an email. So email me at info@dolanhomes.com, and then you will receive our informational email that explains who we are and what we're doing and the particulars about this house. And then you write me back for the 15 pre-qualifying questions. That saves you time and us time. Because some people think that we're a certain type of housing and we're not. These are beautiful manufactured homes, quality, innovative homes that you will love. It is so quiet in here. There's so much insulation. And then after you fill out your application, meet with us one-on-one, then it takes us a week to do the processing. We get back to you, and once you're approved, it's approved for 6 months, and you can buy any of the homes that are available at that time. So check out our website, dolanhomes.com, and there you'll see all 3 of our communities. And this one is myhomeincarteret.com. Thanks for stopping in. Please like and subscribe, and thank you.